to our channel. It's Bubba J and Mama this time. I get to be Mrs. Claus. Well, I know you've all been dying to see what our new surprise is, huh, Josh?
Yes, it is.
They've been sitting on the edge of their seats for our adventure surprise. Should we? I know. Should we have everybody close their eyes?
Anybody close your eyes?
Right.
Do I have to close my eyes?
No.
No.
No. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Everybody?
Wait a minute. Somebody's not closing their eyes.
Yep.
Everybody close your eyes.
Yep.
I'm going to count to 3. Ready?
Okay.
1.
Close your eyes.
2.
2.
And
You're free.
3. This is the new Raptor Pack Adventure Mobile.
Adventure Mobile. Look at there.
I love it.
She's a 2024 Forest River Forester. 2860, I think. 2860.
Woo.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, sir.
Bubba J.
Yep.
Can we show everybody a little bit our new, first time ever, huh?
Yes.
We have never owned
Ever had a Class C.
a motorhome.
Or a
our
motorhome.
first one.
Well, I want to show you all of you guys the tour.
All right, Bubba J.
We're gonna do the inside, right, Bubba J?
Inside.
Yes.
All right.
Look at that. This is a beauty. We are back.
We have a nice big long awning.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, you can pull the door open, Bubba J.
Okay.
Hey, what's that? What's that over there? Oh, that's
What?
What?
Oh, this.
You gotta show this. This
God.
is awesome. Bubba J,
What?
Come here.
come here. You
Pull
got
pull this
this
up.
is gonna be the adventure. Oh, we're gonna love this up in Canada.
Oh yeah.
Look at there.
Oh, that's cool.
And it has this wonderful little induction burner.
It's got an induction burner on the outside.
And then the hookup for the
Those are your cooking things.
propane is back here. And then, of course, we have the it's a
Oh,
pretty good sized little fridge.
that is cool.
Josh, you can put your sodas right here.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's your favorite soda, Bubba J?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Yep.
Look at that.
TV drawers
TV.
that are soft close.
Everything's soft close?
Well,
Wow.
the cabinets, yeah.
Look at
Cabinets
that.
are soft
how
close.
cool.
All right.
And then the cabinets that you have under here stored.
I can't reach
you
it.
can't reach
Yeah, I can't.
Yep, this has been the big announcement that Bubba J wanted to make to everybody. Is his new adventures.
Mobile. Adventure mobile.
This is the Raptor Den.
Come on.
wheels.
That's right. The Raptor Den on wheels. Okay,
All right.
come on in.
Come on in, guys.
All right.
We need to turn all the lights on in here so y'all can
Yeah,
see.
please.
There we go.
Look at this. Wow.
That's my bed right there.
Where's your bed, Bubba J? Oh, look. Bubba J's got the top sleeper.
Yep.
Ooh. Hey, is that your TV?
Yes, my TV.
You got your own TV up there?
Yeah.
Look at this.
That's the
Class
cockpit.
C. This is the cockpit. Let's
Yeah.
turn around here. All right.
And
What do you
when
got?
the slides are in, there's actually like this much room between the slides, so you can access
Nice.
everything, the fridge, everything. So
We got a booth
got a booth
dinette.
dinette that goes down into a bed for the grandbabies,
Yes.
and then of course,
Check it out. Bubba J, show me what you got.
show me what you got.
Oh, ho, ho.
Nice.
I should always sit like this.
His feet don't touch the ground. That's
Your
okay.
feet.
Mine don't either. And then on both sides of these, we have these fancy little tables.
Look at that. Oh, isn't that
I got one too.
Yeah.
And then my stove, and then this. At first I wasn't sure about this sink, little round sink, because we had one in the Raptor. But look how deep it is.
That is.
You could wash a
deep.
small dog in that.
We can get Bubba J back.
No, I don't know about that.
Where are you going?
To show you guys the bathroom.
Oh, and look at there's a shower.
Shower.
Oh, let's just look. Well,
Go ahead.
it'll be tight.
Not for me.
Yeah, not for you, but.
Me-
Oh,
I'll
let's see,
I'll
Bubba
get
J.
it.
Close
What
the
do you
door.
think?
Close the door and see if you got plenty of room.
Hey, where's Bubba J?
I'm in here.
Okay, come on out.
I locked you in.
Mama locked you in the shower.
Whew.
All right.
Okay, the bathroom.
Oh, you want to show them the bathroom?
Yes.
Careful. Slamming stuff.
I'm not slamming.
What's cool is the door opens and there's a magnet.
Yeah.
So you have privacy.
Can you still hear us, Kim?
Can I what?
Can you still hear us?
Yeah, nice bathroom, huh?
Here's the bathroom.
Yeah. Nice.
A lot of windows in this thing.
Look at big window in the bedroom. Can we show them the bedroom,
Yeah.
Josh?
I'll shut this door.
Queen size bed.
Which will be interesting with our two dogs.
Yeah.
And then behind the two TVs, I can't get this one open, but.
Let me help you. Look at all that storage back
And the
there.
TV down by the kitchen has
Does the
storage
same thing?
behind it. Yeah.
Nice.
Pillows.
Came with pillows.
It came with pillows.
And they have lights on these too.
Oh, look at that. Yeah,
Fancy
that's
schmancy.
lights.
Fancy schmancy.
Wow.
How about those?
Our drawers.
Yeah.
Nice little
Yeah.
underwear drawers.
Yeah.
Soft clothes.
Well, Bubba J, what do you think?
I like it.
But we do have to say, if it wasn't for the family,
The family.
and Mama's dad and mom,
Yes.
Elmer and Linda Wright, a lot of this couldn't be possible.
Or even Eddie.
And Eddie, we miss Eddie, huh?
Yeah.
But this is, and I have to say, I agreed, but Mrs. Wilson over there fell in love with this floor plan, the motorhome, right when we saw it.
The theater seats has everything I want.
And I tell you what, Johnson's RV in Medford was outstanding. Just outstanding.
2-hour walkthrough. Almost 2.5 hours.
Yeah, we were.
Mr. Gabby Guts over there.
Well, Bubba J,
What?
what kind of adventures are you looking forward to in this one? Where's your first trip? Where are you going?
My first trip is that Grants Pass.
Well, we're in Grants Pass, but where are you going on Thursday?
Who are you going to go see?
Chris Crater.
No.
No, that's in September. Yes, we are going to Canada in September to see Critter Moto and
Yes.
participate in his
Get lost, find yourself.
Get Lost, Find Yourself. Yes. But we are heading down to see your brother because you are getting another niece.
Yes, Robbie.
And
No,
your
Eric.
sister-in-law, Brianna, we're having a baby shower for her.
Yep.
So, well, let's go ahead and head on out. That was our big surprise and announcement that we wanted to give everybody. It's our new adventure. Yeah, the motorcycle can still go with us. Over here, we'll get some concrete put in. Possibly we might be able to park back there. We do have our motorcycle trailer and it will. Well,
And then we might, if I can have my way, get a brand new Jeep. Well, maybe not brand new Jeep, but a new used Jeep
yeah, we got to pull
to
the
tow
Jeep.
behind us because we need something to tow when we're not taking the motorcycles.
So if anybody has a really nice Jeep Wrangler that you'd like to donate to the Raptor Pack, we would make you our official sponsor of the channel.
But it has to be running.
It's got to be running, yeah. Please have an engine.
We don't want to tow it around if it doesn't work.
Yeah, tow it around with no engine. So hey guys, this was a big surprise. We made this come true. We are looking forward to this year since I retired again. To a lot of adventures, huh, Josh?
Yes, it is.
So we hope you enjoyed this little surprise announcement by Bubba J and Mama and myself. Until next time, travel more, stress less.
Peace out.
Life's too difficult.
No, it's not difficult.
And what is it? No.
Life's not
Peace less.
Life's not difficult. It's just an extra chromosome.
Yeah.
See ya.